Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco number RPSW14RSS. This is a heavy-duty, it's a right-hand hold-open arm is what it is. This is going to be used on their it is commonly seen on their JDAL series. AL is going to infer a ferrous base material, non-corrosive applications. So this hardware is type 316 stainless is what this is. As we are looking at the arm, there's two of them. Okay, so which is the right, which is the left? The answer is when you hold the arm to the top and it's on the right-hand side, as it is, as you view this, this would be a right hand. Also, when you view the door as it's open and you face it open, it would be on the right-hand side for you. That's how you go about determining the hand. This is a piece of stainless steel, a 316, weighs about 2.2 pounds. Let's go over some dimensional properties. Overall is about 1.5 inches. The thickness of the stainless is about 1/4 inch. I'd say it'd be a little bit less if I put a caliper on it. Overall length, 15 3/4, they would certainly call that. This is going to include a stainless bolt, which I've got to think is every bit of 1/2 inch, 2 washers, and actually 2 nuts. And I'm gonna guess that those are gonna lock against each other, so that you've got some play in there, so that this arm can actually go through its movement. Okay, it's going to come with a red vinyl handle that you're obviously just going to tap onto the end. Now the problem is I can't tell you which units for sure this goes on. The point of the video is to give you a visual review and a dimensional review of the item itself, and hopefully that permits you to determine adequately, is this the correct item that I need for my material. Now, let's say that you have a floor door and it's obviously aluminum. A sure way to be able to determine which is the correct arm assembly is to not only send us photographs of everything, but most importantly the serial number that will be on the sidewall, generally right below the name Bilco. So that would be a sure way, because we can then contact the manufacturer, have them pull up basically a bill of materials, and then tell us the part number needed for that. And they will always assist us in that event. There are times when you don't have a serial number. It does occasionally happen. I would suggest that you take as many pictures as possible, and also give us the width, also give us the depth, and then the width. Okay, every piece of hardware is really available from them. However, they don't publish parts materials, build sheets, so to speak, or bill of materials for complete roof hatches, probably for a variety of reasons. Lack of desire or interest, with no real reason to make it a public document. Number two, obviously everyone would be able to see it, including those that they'd probably like to keep it not necessarily readily available to, not only competition, but of course clients who are just trying to fix the material themselves or use it on other manufacturers' product or homemade material, and do so in an unsafe way. So they do really want a serial number, is how to go about it. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can view all the Bilco items that we sell. There's also a link below this video to the installation instructions that directly apply to this arm type. So absolutely review those for assistance in getting it installed. Let's take a closer look at those installation instructions. Okay, I won't read them to you verbatim, but you can indeed see in figure 2 on page 1 exactly what it is that you're faced with, where this arm, although that is showing a left-hand variant, yours would be on the opposite side. And yeah, as you go through the installation instructions, you'll be able to really well determine your replacement. The last page just does show not only a variant, one with a handle, but the dimension X for the length. The point of that is, for every size depth of roof hatch lid or floor door lid, a different arm length is required. Again, we don't know which it is. It would be my guess that there is one smaller than this and that there are 2 larger if it followed convention of other items. So be mindful. This might be the item you need, and it might be too small, or it might be a little bit too big. So let us know if we can help with that. So back to the link below this video to the manufacturer's page. There you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Bilco RPSW14RSS, hold open arm, right hand, type 316 stainless steel, or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.